Well, everyone, I fixed it on the dehumidifier, and we're at the coffee shop basement. This is the one that I found on the side of the road. You can see it's already gotten flour on it. This is an old 1980s DeLonghi. And the main issue with it is I didn't want to cut the garden hose connector. This is an old R12 unit, works great, especially now that I cleaned it off. This one, let's see. Let's make sure it works. You can see some of the refrigerant coming through. It's slowly spreading. I got this one, well, this one had a crack in one of the coils because they didn't add an S in the copper line going from the compressor up to the evaporator and or condenser, and so that vibration cracked at a little point where they had soldered or brazed a tube as a support. So I rebrazed that, made it extra sturdy, and I added a port, so it's repairable. Now, unfortunately, I added on the high side. But a helpful viewer, they gave me some R410A. And I put a little bit of R410A in it. You see, like, the cold is coming up here. I didn't know how much to really put in, so I put enough in to where once it gets equalized, the cold comes up to about here, and none of it is frozen. It's just like 45 degrees, 50 degrees up to here. Very nice. They actually told me that I could put it over here. The cable is almost too short. I think I might add a nail or a screw to hold that down. Let's go to 45. I still plan to make a video talking about how to repair these, because I'm still learning some things, especially around the motors, because there's two types of motors in the dehumidifiers. But this was saved by a very kind lady who I never met. An older lady that couldn't bear to throw anything away, and she passed away recently. And when her sons and her daughter had to clean out her house, they had a whole bunch of these dehumidifiers, and they gave them to me. If they had given them to anybody else, they would have been scrapped. But I was able to fix 2 of them so far. I'll probably be able to fix all 3. And actually properly fixing them too, doing leak checks and all that. So I am so happy. And I also get to take back my courtesy unit, because this little R12 unit, oh, I love this thing. This is such a reliable little thing. I should probably add a filter. Yeah, because there's already been mostly flour since it's a storeroom, but a fair bit. I didn't want to cut off that garden hose connector because I didn't have a proper cap for it. So I've just been having them dump it manually all this time, about 2 months now. But now they should be able to have it just run through there. Well, you know what? I should set the picture. What is that? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.